So if you've got a car and you never know where to put your phone while using GPS, you're gonna love this thing. It just snaps right onto your phone automatically, and then you can stick it on your dashboard or windshield just like a regular mount. The best part? No glue at all. You can take it off anytime, move it anywhere, and it basically sticks to almost any surface inside your car. The price is super low right now, and it even has free shipping. If you're interested, I'll drop the link below. Go check if it's still in stock.